I'm Raneem and today I'm gonna bring you a really fun video in collaboration with Coco and Eve for Mother's Day. I will be recreating 3 of my mom's hairstyles from the 90s and I'm super excited about it because first of all, I love the 90s and my mom was quite the fashionista back then, so recreating her looks will be a lot of fun for me today. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna recreate is a high ponytail. And yes, I know my mom is absolutely stunning and believe it or not, she actually has the same curly hair pattern than me. And the second look I'm gonna recreate is this absolutely beautiful look. I really love the cute ringlets that she has created. And the third style is the classic 90s blowout with the long curtain bangs that I also recently have cut, so the 90s are coming back, guys. Of course, I want my hair to be super hydrated, shiny and protected from the stylings that I'm about to do. And for that, I'm gonna prep my hair with the products from Coco and Eve. I'm gonna be using the super nourishing hydrating hair mask, and I will also be using the miracle hair elixir. So I'm gonna go and wet my hair now, so see you in a minute. Oh, and while I'm washing my hair, please don't forget to like, comment or subscribe.
Hey guys, I'm back with a voiceover because I will be applying now the nourishing hair mask from Coco and Eve. So I will be applying a pretty generous amount onto my hand and then I will apply it from the midsection to the ends of my hair. And to make sure everything is evenly distributed and my hair is knot free, I'm going to be using the Coco and Eve hair detangler and just detangle my hair. And now I'm gonna wrap my hair in this cute microfiber towel from Coco and Eve. And in that, my hair will rest for 10 minutes so it can better absorb the Now time for the Miracle Hair Elixir, which includes Balinese super hydrators like mangosteen or papaya.
Hello, silky shiny hair. Wow, I can really tell the difference to before. My hair is definitely way more shiny. It feels good, it feels so soft touching it, like it's like clouds.
It's time for the first look, guys. I grabbed my vintage trench coat and the biggest scrunchie I could find at home, and this is all we need for that look because it's a high ponytail. So as you can see, I literally just put up all my hair and I take some single strands out of the ponytail to make it a little bit of a 90s messy style. The ponytail should be as high as possible and then just wrap your hair in it, wiggle it a little bit around and basically you're done. Moving on to the second style of my mom, it's the 90s ringlet. I'm using a very small diameter for my curling iron to get the smallest ringlets possible, and look how shiny and cute they are. For the upper part of my hair, I'm actually fixing every curl with a clip onto my head and I'm gonna leave them cool down like this onto my head. So it looks a little bit like that afterwards, but this will help to keep the ringlets really in place. Then I curl my bangs separately.
And voila, I found a royal blue blazer. I must say the thing that my mom is wearing in the image is quite freaky. I don't know if something like that or a pattern like that still exists. So this is as close as I could get.
And that's it. What do you think about my ringlets? Do I look like my mom? And finally, the third hairstyle, the 90s blowout. And all I'm gonna do for this look, I'm gonna put away my fringe first, and then I'm gonna brush out the curls, making them a little bit bigger. And I advise here to make your hair a little bit wet so it better takes on the different shape than before. Then I do my fringe separately in order to get some extra volume in there. And I'm done with the third 90s hairstyle. Look at it, it's so nice and so effortless. I really love it.
So that was it, my friends. Those were my 3 hairstyles from the 90s inspired by my mom. I must say I really liked all of them, but you should let me know in the comments below which one you liked the most. And also don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I hope to see you next time. Bye!